Hi everyone. So in this video, I will give you my 2 cents on how to deal with office politics, especially when you are a contractor. I do have more than 10 years of experience in security and IT consulting, and I'm hoping throughout this playlist to share my experience with you. So take what you take from this. I hope it's helpful, and if it is, please consider subscribing. Let me know in the comment section if you have other questions about IT consulting or the IT industry in general, and I will try to address them in later videos. The first thing that I would advise you to consider when you see that your client culture has a lot of politics involved is to assume that anything that you discuss is going to be shared with others. If a company has a delicate political culture, chances are people do talk a lot with each other. Keep that in mind. Whatever you are talking about, keep it low profile. Don't talk about other people. Try to minimize that because the last thing you need is somebody getting angry at you because you talked about someone else. And I saw that actually in a at a previous client where I noticed people were bad mouthing the director about them, and I decided to stay quiet about it. I didn't want to discuss that subject. I pivoted to talk about something else because that discussion has no value and it's probably going to end up hurting me. So try to do that, avoid this kind of topics, and move on. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is what if the client has like few permanent employees that are giving you a hard time, and like some of people, I don't know why, but instead of collaborating, they decide that the best way to move forward for them or to be visible is to bring you down or to bring other people down. If that's the situation, if that's something that you are facing, I suggest that you document everything, all communications, everything that's happening, document with logs. Like if somebody's telling you, saying that, oh, you did this and this and this, make sure you have the logs to support their, well, if if you know that they're right, they're right. But if you know that they're wrong and they're just trying to mess with you, collect the logs that support your case, and always present things in a collaborative way. So let's say if somebody's saying you did this and that and this is not working and you're causing the project to to be delayed, this is a non-compliance issue. Fine, I appreciate your concern and I'm willing to work with you to address your concerns. Here's what I found so far, which I think it would explain the situation and address the concerns that you have. Address their concerns in a collaborative way. Don't go head on. It's easy for people to be defensive and say like, this person is attacking me. First, you don't know that what that person is going through. Whether they are a permanent employee contractor, they're humans, and they might be going through something in their lives that you do not understand, you don't know, and that's their way of like letting steam out. Fine, deal with them as humans, right? Uh, that's the first thing people assume. Like everybody is a creature of logic, but we are creatures of feelings before logic. So try to address their concern, be collaborative with them, but also document everything, have the logs, have the communications ready. So if they escalate to upper management, you do have yourself protected. You are protected. CYA, cover your ass. Unfortunate, but this is what you need to do. Try to build a collaborative environment for work, but at the same time, cover yourself. I hope this has been informative and see you in the next video.